This is a review of the SNAP Circuit science project. This is great if you're homeschooling your kids for science project. It has over 100 electronic projects. So this is what comes in the box. You have your circuitry here, and then you have your little SNAP wires that go with it. It's real easy to do. You basically just follow the instructions in the book, and it is self-explanatory. It's very visual. My daughter got it for her kids, and they actually help her to put together. Actually, my 4-year-old grandson actually can even work with it, and it's really exciting. So this is one of the projects that they did. What is the name of this project here?
It's flying saucer.
Okay, let's show how it works. Whoa. So you see it goes right up in the air. Really fun project. Over 100 things to do. And it's, something the kids are loving, and they, all kinds of things you can do. You can make a voice with this one here. You can actually make lights, like LED lights and white lights. So real fun toy for the kids. Do it one more time. I'm gonna see can I get it when it go up. Okay. Whoa. How does the other one work?
This?
Yeah, or that one. Can that one work too?
Work for that. It turned off.
It's turned off?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you turn it on?
It's on.
It's on?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm not sure.
It turned off.
Maybe you have to line it up with something? I'm not sure, but that one's not working. Or what it's supposed to do?
You have to do this.
Oh, right.
Do this.
Okay, so go ahead and put that on.
Flying.
The flying saucer, yeah. You can go ahead and do the flying saucer one.
Here?
Uh-huh. Nice. Awesome. Yes. Overall, the SNAP Circuit Junior was very fun for my grandkids ages 4 and 7. And it can be used to teach the basics of electricity and circuits, and it can be used to teach about engineering and design, or it can be even used for STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So it's a great educational toy to use at school or homeschool. And the kids really had a ball with so many more projects to do.